There's a new firmware for zv-e1 Sony camera and many cameras from Sony. Pause the video if you want to read new features and improvements. How do you update? Let me show it to you.
You can make your update via the app, but the download speeds are shit. It will take a very long time.
Simply download to your memory card. No folders, just a file.
You remember that you have to have like at least 80% of the battery, not like 15. Menu, setup option, version, software update. Execute. And now the screen will be black and the light will be blinking. So don't do anything, just leave it and will update itself.
Video stability test, we're on a 16mm, no video stabilization. Let me switch to steady shot. So, do we see any improvement? That's a very nice tiger, different, very nice tiger. Any improvements at all? Okay, let me switch to the higher one, active. Any improvements to the active one? Ooh. And dynamic active. Dynamic. Well, dynamic steady shot, dynamic active, whatever you want to call it. That's the most powerful video stabilization. All right, this does look like this. So it sounds like we can do defocus if we wanted to. So the background should be out of focus. All right, I think I set the minimum blur to active. Active steady. All right, active steady. Very nice. Very nice, my dear friend. Active steady. Very wide. And on the fly, we can switch to a steady, even wider view, steady shot. On the screen looks awesome, but on the YouTube this could be a different story. I'm commenting what I see on the screen. That's a live comment. And without video stabilization, it will be the same. It's like no difference. Or is it? Now it's without. Any difference? There you go. All right, let's move on. I am using a Sony mic and have a monitor as a second smartphone with a Xiaomi experience. How cool is that? Anyway, this video is all about cameras, Sony cameras. zv-e1, do I feel any improvements? Do I see any improvements? No, I didn't have any issues before and after. Another way around. New firmware and old firmware. For me, it's all the same. I was hoping for a little bit better video stabilization, but that didn't happen. Anyway, the main question is it overheating on me? No, it didn't overheat me, not even once. That is amazing. And I'm using the maximum settings always. 4K 60, 10-bit, 444, maximum 600. You have to have a V90 card to record in such a huge bitrate. Some say it's overheating all the time. They may be making a podcasts or something like that. I won't do podcasts with it because there's only one memory card. And if it's overheating you, your guest will be annoyed. So I won't do that. This is for a different purpose. This camera is for vloggers. Vlogging all kinds of stuff. And that's what I have. It's cool, but for me, it's still cool. This video is already too long. See you next video. Bye.